What it do? I'm back. Fuck, I'm back. What's up with it? Yo, we got some catching up to do. Check it out, though. We're just kicking it. Check out the setup. Make sure you guys go do. My bad, I'm doing laundry out in there. The orange is on the table. Make sure you guys go hit me up on TikTok. Been posting on TikTok. Make sure you guys go run up to TikTok. I'm gonna link it down. You guys go hit me up. Check it out. A while back, we put in some recessed lights. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Real quick, like that. Bam. Had no switch. Well, we had the switch, but it was running off the outlet. The shit was moved heck over in the corner, so you couldn't put a faceplate on. So I moved it a little bit, and then that switch controlled the outlet that was right behind this mirror right here. So we fixed that. We ran some wires up in the attic, and we just ran it from that switch right here. Went up. The wires going to one. Next one, and then the following. I just want to give you guys a little update, see what up, check in with you guys, make sure you guys are good, let you guys know I'm good. We're gonna start banging out t-shirts with the heat press. I went and ran another circuit right there, straight to the panel, 20 amp dedicated circuit for the heat press, so we can start cranking these out. Right, let me put you guys on game real quick. I heard this motherfucker on TikTok too. What's good with it? What's that mean? Someone go to the script. What the hell that mean right there? Encrypt or whatever. You got it? Put in the comments. What's that mean? Where my Chinese folks at? Check it out though. We gotta straighten this out. Still gotta paint the ceiling. I got a little patch to get in right there. Gotta patch that up. I changed out all the outlets. Everything's good with the electrical. I gotta pull that junction box out of there. That was like some telephone wire junction. Patch that up. Gotta go in with the drywall mud everywhere. Yeah, those of you guys that done some remodel work, cut up some drywall. You guys know how fucking dusty it gets. Oh, this shit. Yeah. All over the place. Had to clean up the room. I've been sneezing and shit. Got fiberglass everywhere from the attic. Yeah, it's up here. My fault. Alright, let's get it. Let's get it. Look at that. I gotta clean up in here. We still got work to do. Let me get up in the attic. Let me show you what up. Go get you a ladder. Go get you a ladder. Jabby, what up, cuz? Go and grab you a ladder. What up, Jabbies? Check it out. Grab you a ladder. Now, let me get this down too. Hold on. I gotta be patient with me. Make sure you guys got a mask. If you guys doing the install, get a mask. Get you a flashlight. You're gonna need a flashlight. Sure, it'd be spooky as hell in there, dude. Now you guys want to wear a mask because all this insulation and all the dust and everything. You guys got live wires up here too, so don't be fucking around stepping on them. When you're in the attic too, you guys only want to step on these joists. Don't be stepping on the fucking drywall. You go right through that shit. Hold up. Let me get up here real quick. You guys be careful now. Check it out. We ran these wires too. We had a circuit go out. So you see all this 12 gauge yellow wire. I rerouted all this. This is a big ass circuit too. To one bathroom, the master bedroom, another bathroom in there, and then part of that room that I'm in is where the short was. But guys, be careful when you're up here. Alright, keep in mind where all those lights were at, and then we're in that outlet too. My bad. This is one of the lights right here. We got the other one over there. And follow the wires. There's one over here. I see it there. And then there's the last one. But what we did, you gotta fucking lay down up in here, way in the corner, and then get your wire ran. So what I did was, here, let me get close real quick. You have to bore a hole into the stud or the joist. And you guys see that nail right there? Check it out. You guys think I should be concerned about that nail? I took a hammer and fucking pointed it away. Or I took pliers. But we drilled a hole in the room. We drilled a hole right there coming up to feed that wire down. And then this wire runs back out with all these other home run wires. See all these black aluminum wires? All the wires lead out the garage right up there. I'll go show you guys. But it comes out the garage over there and they run straight to the panel. So keep in mind the outlet is right below. It's like half a foot down from the wall right there. And then it runs around into the garage, through the garage, into the main panel. These recessed lights are pretty easy too. You guys have like a little junction right here. You guys can wire it all up. Just make sure you guys are taking the right steps. Make sure you guys be safe. Cause all this shit right here could be a major fire hazard if you guys don't do it right. I tore out all this ducting too when I was going through trying to figure out this circuit when we had this short. So I ripped all this ducting apart. Still got to put the ducting back together. I got it working though. You guys don't want to do no crazy splices up here. You guys don't want to fuck around with that. That's a major fire hazard. And we had a few of them too. We had some splices up here. It's hella sketchy. You guys don't do that shit. I was finding cigarette butts up here. Finding all kinds of crazy shit. cigarette butts in the outlets, or in the switch junction boxes. Not the outlets, but the switch junction box. Crazy ass fools. Alright, you guys seen that wire running down through there, right? And it comes out the garage right here, where all the home runs are at. You see that yellow wire? Boom, got it zip tied up there with everything else. I still gotta tighten it all up. And then we bored a hole here too, running down to the electric panel. Let me show you how I hooked it up to the electric panel. Not bad for the laundry machine, bro. I had to get some laundry done. This old ass washing machine. No dryer. What you gotta know about that? No dryer. But I got you guys. When we get a dryer, if I'm still here, we get a dryer, I'll show you guys how to install this shit up. Check it out. We got more electric work to do. I'll patch this up correctly. We got the switches changed out. This is the first outlet, or yeah, the first outlet that was changed out when we had that circuit issue. Shout out my guy Stuart. What up, Stuart? Stuart came through. I didn't know what the fuck I was doing. He came through, wired it up real quick for me. Boom, got me right. Got the washing machine going. So I got this hooked up. The switch right here. Bam. Let me show you guys how we hooked up this circuit to the panel. But don't go try this at home, bro. I'm not no electrician. I'm not no licensed nothing. I'm just showing you guys what I know and showing you guys how I did it. Alright, go to the main panel. You guys gotta be careful though. What I did was I hit the main off, and then you guys have your neutral bar and your ground bar right here. Boom. And then the breaker. This is the breaker to that circuit right here. I don't want to take this out right now, but whatever, I'm doing it real quick for you guys. Hold up. Alright, like I said, don't go try to copy me, but this is exactly what I did. We hit the power switch, we turned it off. We got a 20 amp breaker because the heat press requires like 14 amps. And then you're only supposed to load up the circuit with 80% of the load. So once you guys turn off the main breaker, those lugs and those wires are gonna still remain hot. And then all this shit's live right here. Back here, you got your bus bar. So that's where the ground wire went to, the copper one, and then the white wire too. Hooked it up to each its own spot. And then the hot power line is this one right here, going to the breaker. Y'all see the yellow wire coming out the notch. And then you guys got those knockout locks right there. So that's it right there. That's basically what it is. Let me know if you guys got questions. Now we got the heat press ready to go on a dedicated line. 20 amp with a vinyl cutter right here. Got all the vinyl. So let me know what you guys want to see, what you guys want me to make. This is some colors we got right here. But I'm gonna get down. I'm gonna get down real quick, work with what I got, and then we'll show you guys what I do afterwards. So appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys tune in for the next videos to come. I apologize for you guys wait, but if you guys are rocking with me for the long run, you guys know what's up, bro. I ain't fucking never stopping. So go run up the subscribe button, go run up the comments, let me know what you guys are thinking. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out. Peace out. Let's go. We just keep on going. But that's hard, bro.